بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today, inshallah, we are going to explore the TOGAF standard, which is powerful framework for enterprise architecture. So before we dive in, here's like a quick roadmap of our lecture, and this is going to help you follow along and know what to expect. First, we will start by understanding what TOGAF is and why it's important for our business. Then, TOGAF covers different types of architecture: business, data, applications, and technology. So we're gonna discuss what kind of architecture does the TOGAF standards deal with. And then we're gonna discuss architecture development methods. As you know, TOGAF is a step-by-step process for developing the enterprise architecture. After that, we will break down each phase of ADM, showing like how a business move from planning to execution. All right. So what's TOGAF standard? Okay. The TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, is a framework used to create and manage enterprise architecture. So imagine you are like building a city and you need roads, you need houses, schools, electricity. If everyone builds randomly, the city will be a mess, right? So think of TOGAF as the master plan, helps the organization to design and organize the organization efficiently. So it makes sure everything is like connected, efficient, and works smoothly. So just like a well-planned IT system for a business. What does TOGAF do? TOGAF provide methods and tools to help organizations design, build, use, and maintain their system and processes. Okay, so TOGAF is like a city planner who provide guidelines and tools to design and build your city in an efficient way. So it helps businesses organize their system just like a city planner organize the road, bridge, and buildings, as example. So it makes sure, again, everything runs smoothly and fit together, just like business need their IT system to work together. So without TOGAF, business would struggle to keep their system working efficiently, just like a city with no road or traffic rules would be like a disaster, of course. So how does TOGAF work? It uses iterative process model, and that means the process is repeated in cycle, allowing for improvement and update over time. So TOGAF is based on also best practices and reuses existing architecture tools and ideas to save time and effort. So TOGAF doesn't build everything at all once. Instead, it follows iterative process, which means start with basic design, then improve it over time. So making improvement step by step. Learn from mistakes, adjust the plans, and make things better with each step. So also like follow best practices, which means instead of like reinventing a new methods, we use methods that have already worked well before. So why we use TOGAF? TOGAF helps businesses create efficient, consistent, and adaptable systems that meets their goals. So it's like prevent the mess and bring like a clear plan for the business or for the organization.